Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to give them access to your CRM to help manage your prospects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Capsule CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Capsule CRM and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or just another team member, you're going to click on your profile name here on the top right. To do that, you'll see a drop down menu and you want to click here, account settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to look for this one here called users and teams. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add a new admin or a user. You're going to click right here on add user. It's a blue button. Okay, so this is going to be an invitation. So whoever receives this, they're going to have to accept the invitation and then sign into their Capsule CRM. So you want to go ahead and enter in their name. You can enter their job title. Make sure you put in email address. Make sure it's the correct email address, because if it's wrong, they're not going to receive the invitation. And you can create a username for them. And then here you can go ahead and choose their role. So if you click there, you can add them as an administrator or standard access or restricted. If you need help understanding the difference between those three, check my other video that describes that in detail. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add an administrator. And if you've already set up teams in your Capsule CRM, you can go ahead and assign them to a team. Also, this is important. So if it's an assistant and you don't want them to download all of your contacts or maybe some sort of a partner, you want to be sure to uncheck this. And that way they can't export the records from your Capsule CRM. Okay, lastly, you want to go ahead and choose why you're adding a new user. So you can just put other, and I usually just type in other personally. Okay, and once you're ready to go ahead and add the admin or the new team member into your Capsule CRM, just click on invite. Once they receive the invitation, they'll want to click on the link and then create their account or sign in to their Capsule CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.